Hello and welcome. This is a channel to help you learn English in a simple and natural way. In this video, you will listen to English slowly and clearly. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax, listen, and follow the ideas. English is learned with time, patience, and practice. Let's begin. In this video, we will learn about the power of concentration. Concentration is the ability to focus your attention on one thing at a time. In today's world, concentration is becoming more difficult. There are many distractions around us. Phones, messages, noise, and constant information make the mind jump from one thing to another. This makes it hard to stay focused and calm. When concentration is weak, simple tasks feel heavy. Reading becomes slow. Learning feels confusing. Even relaxing feels difficult. The mind moves too fast, and attention breaks easily. This can create frustration and tiredness. Many people think this is normal, but it does not have to be this way. Concentration is not a talent. It is a skill. Like any skill, it can be trained. Some people believe they are born focused or not focused. This is not true. Focus grows with practice. Anyone can improve concentration with small daily actions. When you concentrate, your mind becomes calmer. Thoughts slow down. You feel more present. Instead of thinking about many things, you stay with one idea. This creates clarity. Clarity helps understanding. Understanding helps confidence. This change starts with focus. Learning becomes easier with concentration. When you focus, your brain processes information better. You remember more. You understand faster. You do not need to repeat the same lesson many times. One focused moment can be more powerful than 1 hour without attention. Concentration also saves energy. When the mind jumps constantly, it becomes tired. Switching tasks again and again uses mental energy. When you focus on one thing, energy stays stable. You feel less tired and more satisfied after finishing a task. Many people try to do many things at the same time. They think multitasking is efficient. In reality, multitasking reduces concentration. The brain cannot fully focus on many tasks at once. It only switches fast between them. This creates mistakes and stress. True concentration means doing one thing fully. When you eat, you eat. When you read, you read. When you study, you study. This simple idea is powerful. Doing one thing at a time brings quality to actions and calm to the mind. Concentration is closely connected to awareness. When you are aware of what you are doing, focus improves. Awareness means noticing the present moment, not thinking about the past or the future, just being here now with what you are doing. Breathing helps concentration. Slow and calm breathing sends a signal to the brain to relax. When the body relaxes, the mind follows. Before starting a task, take a few slow breaths. This small pause prepares the mind to focus. Environment also affects concentration. A noisy or messy space makes focus harder. A simple and clean space supports attention. You do not need perfection. Small changes help. Less noise, fewer objects, and fewer interruptions make a difference. Another important part of concentration is intention. Before starting, decide what you want to focus on. A clear intention gives direction to the mind. Without intention, the mind moves randomly. With intention, focus has a path. Concentration does not mean forcing the mind. Forcing creates tension. Tension blocks learning. Focus works best when it is gentle. When the mind moves away, bring it back calmly. Do not judge yourself. Losing focus is part of the process. Training concentration takes time. At first, focus may last only a few minutes. This is normal. Over time, it grows. 5 minutes become 10. 10 become 20. Progress happens slowly, but it happens with consistency. Short focus sessions are better than long, unfocused ones. Even a few minutes of real focus are valuable. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Start where you are. Use the time you have. Small focused moments build strong habits. Concentration also improves emotional balance. When the mind is focused, emotions feel more stable. Worry reduces. Anxiety slows down. The present moment feels safer than imagined problems. Focus brings the mind back to reality. For language learning, concentration is essential. Listening with focus helps the brain recognize sounds. Reading with attention helps understanding. Speaking with focus improves clarity. Without concentration, language feels confusing. With concentration, it becomes familiar. When you concentrate while listening to English, you notice patterns. You hear repetition. You feel rhythm. The brain connects meaning and sound naturally. This is how language is learned deeply, not just memorized. Concentration also improves patience. When you focus, you accept the moment. You stop rushing results. You understand that learning takes time. This patience reduces frustration and keeps motivation alive. Modern life teaches speed, not focus, but speed without focus leads to mistakes. Slowing down improves quality. When you slow down, you see more details. Details create understanding. Understanding creates confidence. It is important to protect your attention. Attention is valuable. Choose carefully where you place it. Too much information can overload the mind. Less input with more focus is more effective than constant noise. Rest also supports concentration. A tired mind cannot focus well. Sleep, breaks, and relaxation are part of focus training. Concentration is not about pushing harder. It is about balance between effort and rest. Over time, concentration changes how you experience life. Moments feel fuller. Tasks feel meaningful. You feel more connected to what you do. This creates satisfaction, even in simple activities. In conclusion, the power of concentration lies in its simplicity. Focus brings clarity, calm, and progress. It improves learning, reduces stress, and saves energy. Concentration is not something you have or do not have. It is something you build. With gentle practice, daily intention, and patience, concentration grows. One moment of focus leads to another. Over time, these moments shape a calmer and more effective mind. When you learn to focus, you learn to live with more presence and purpose.